Hello, students. May the 4th be with you. So we're going to go through the slides for the week here. First thing, let's talk a little bit about the overview of the week. You want to make sure, first of all, that your literary analysis project is submitted. If you haven't submitted that, that's your first priority. The second thing would be to participate in the gallery walk. We want to make sure that you're reading people's artist statements and that you are looking at people's art and then responding to it. So we'll talk a little bit about what the expectations are for participating in this gallery walk. And then the last thing is writing a creative piece. So I have a prompt for you that you'll see in this week's folder to do a creative writing piece. The work has been broken into segments, just like I did last week and the week before, but you can complete it in whatever fashion makes the most sense for you. Day one, I want you to complete the check-in and then submit your work if you have not. It's one course of action here you could do. So respond to the personal check-in prompt in the community folder and then submit your project if you have not. The project will be submitted, okay, so make sure you look through it and that it looks good. And then save your artist statement, save your art, and keep both files handy. And then submit it in the week of April 27th through May 1st folder. And that is where you're also going to be doing your comments, okay? So make sure that you put it in that folder. And you can go back to the PowerPoint to remember some of these submission instructions and copy and paste your artist statement in there to the comments field and all of that and format it. So if you've already submitted your work and you've already completed the check-in for the week, then you're going to move on to working on comments. So you're going to go to the April 27th through May 1st folder, to the Project Gallery Walk Submission Media Album. And then these are the requirements for your feedback. Each feedback should respond to one of the following prompts using at least 2 complete sentences. So you want to answer one of these prompts. How does this project make a strong connection between the literary analysis and the art itself? Or explain why this type of art is a good fit for showing its claim, or describe what you liked about this project and what you think the artist did well. So choose one of these prompts to respond to the art and the artist statement for your peer. Be mindful of which projects are receiving feedback and be sure to balance the amount each person is getting. If a project already has several pieces of feedback, and others don't yet, then please write your feedback on the projects that have fewer comments. Our goal is to make sure everyone gets to hear about what they did well. You need to do at least 3 different projects that you've responded to. More is even better, okay? So that means 2 sentences, 3 different responses. I'll say that again. 2 sentences per response and 3 different projects you're going to respond to. And please look at projects that haven't received comments. We want to make sure everybody gets an opportunity to receive some comments and to hear what people have to say about their work. Keep it positive, of course, and answer the prompts in your comments. Please, no spamming, no messages that aren't related to one of these prompts, okay? Then, when you're done with that, you're going to move on to your creative writing for the week. These are just opportunities for you to practice, and they are meant to improve your writing skills, spark new story ideas, and make you a better writer. So for this week's creative writing exercise, you are going to be doing a creative writing prompt about it's a letter of appreciation to either a food, pet, or valued item. It will be in the discussion post, so just check it out. And if you'd like to submit more than one, you're welcome to do that. So that is the week's instructions. I hope that was clear. You can come talk to me during my office hours. You can send me a message through Schoology or email, and I look forward to seeing your work this week. All right, bye.